Alright, so we are setting up the development environment, and here the requirement for this course is that first we will be downloading the Node.js. You can download from this website nodejs.org, and you can download the latest version. You can download for your operating system, and now we will be searching Typescript. So typescriptlang.org. Here we will go and see how we can install Typescript. So go to download, and you can see npm install typescript --save dev, like this. Alright, so you can also install it through this Visual Studio as well, but we will not be doing it. So what I will do is that I will be moving to our IDE, that is Visual Studio Code. So you can do this as a VS Code download, and you can download your own favorite IDE. That's not an issue. Okay, so here I will be going to the terminal and npm install --save dev TypeScript. So yeah, TypeScript is installed. Here is, you can see. If I type this command npx DSA, you can see so many things we have now. And for init is this. So how will we initialize it? tsc --init. The TypeScript project is now initialized. Okay. Here you can see all of these, these compiler options and all. This is all just configuration, but we will be doing our own custom configuration. Alright, so I will show you. I will be removing all these compiler options, and what I'll do, strict property initialization will be set false. So what is it? Check for class data but now set in the constructor. Or now we will decide its target. So ES5. Currently we are setting this target to ES5, and emit decorator metadata, set it to true. So when we'll be using the decorators, this will work. And experimental decorators, yeah, true. So you can use the decorators. I will show you what decorators are actually, but for now this is the configuration that we need. Alright guys, our Node.js is downloaded, TypeScript is downloaded, project is initialized, and yeah, you can select your own IDE. So that's all about setting up the dev environment, and in the next video we will be checking what all is there for TypeScript to offer. Okay, so meet you in the next video. Thank you.